Hi, I'm Dr. Janine West, the water specialist with Flowers Canada. We're here at the Vineland Research Innovation Centre, and we're doing a trial on fertilizer levels in poinsettia crops. There are still open production systems in floriculture, and nutrient solution is not always recirculated. And there are also times when fertilizer solution needs to be discharged, but you really don't want to discharge that to the environment. So we're looking for alternatives, and one of the alternatives is to land apply. However, we've found that levels of molybdenum in fertilizer discharge water could be too high for land application. Wayne Brown from WAMQI has questioned whether we actually need as much molybdenum now that most growers use sub-irrigation instead of overhead. So we may be able to lower the level of molybdenum in the fertilizer feed, and therefore the discharge water would have lower levels in it. We have a number of project partners on this research trial. Wayne Brown from WAMQI, a summer student from the University of Guelph, Shannon Gauthier, Jamie Albers from Flowers Canada, and Dr. Barry Shelp from the University of Guelph.
Hello, my name is Wayne Brown, Greenhouse Floriculture Specialist with the Ontario Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs. The experiment here with poinsettias is to look at different levels of molybdenum. And we're using a variety called Christmas Day, which is the most common variety grown in Ontario. We have four levels of molybdenum in this trial. 100%, which is the standard rate that is found in complete water-soluble fertilizers, 50%, 25%, and 0. We had 3 reps randomly located each on a separate trough with their own recirculating system.
Fertilizer recommendations in floriculture crops haven't been updated for approximately 40 years, and this kind of research is really important to be updated, especially considering the production practices have changed and we've switched to mainly sub-irrigation. Another way to look at it is this scientific data is critical to help fertilizer manufacturers know what's really relevant and useful for farmers, so that we don't need to buy more fertilizer or spend more money on fertilizer than we need to.
In this trial, we use sub-irrigation troughs to grow the plants in. Each trough is supplied with an individual level of molybdenum. The nutrient solution flows down, the excess is captured in the recirculation tank, and then is pumped back through an individual line to the head of the bench for recirculation.
Preliminary results for mature tissue analysis don't indicate any differences between the 4 treatments. However, we are testing every couple of weeks. This research trial is made possible by Farm and Food Care's WAMQI initiative.